Okay, we're at the trailhead, and yeah, looks like the whole trail is the stairs. Okay, let's start a hike. There's a shooting range over there. I don't know, looks like there's a lookout on top of that mountain. That's the city, Pacific Ocean. And yeah, still a long way to the top. Just taking a water break. Oh, this is the scary part. She's almost there already. I have nothing on this view. Ooh. That's a lot of stairs. A lot of stairs.
I know, my thighs still hurts almost.
And this is actually the okay part, all the way to the top. That looks more steep, yeah. Yeah, the one stair, like probably like 1.5 steps. Yeah, so quite a lot of the work to go up.
Is it scary when you look down?
I don't know. I'll tell you when
Oh, you're
I'm
out
coming
there?
down. Yeah,
Oh yeah, you have to look down when you come down.
that's right. It looks pretty steep.
Yeah, I'm worried about going down too.
Yeah, it looks like 60, probably not, like 45 degrees, 50 degrees. Right.
Yeah, going down is definitely risky.
Then yeah, I don't even know if we're halfway up there yet. Do I see that many people?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's take a little bit more time and sit. We're already tired. We're going up.
Just
Imagine we have to coming down there.
I know, I'm not
Facing
looking
like the
forward to
stairs
going
like
down.
this. Oh, the view is good though. Oh god, almost make it. Okay, here we go. To the top.
No, she's on it.
We got this.
Yes.
Thanks. God, it's hard. Well, this is the view around the top. Wow. I can see a football field over there. The whole city is in the valley. We're now walking down there. Yeah, walking literally one step at a time. I don't know why I feel not really stable. Like my body, not the stairs.
Maybe record you.
No, I don't need to record me. I'm okay. I'm okay. Alright. Okay, we came down all the way from the top to here. Now just the easy part. Whew, finally. Wasn't expected the kind of hike. But yeah, it is what it is. And we kind of made it. Feels alright now. Just a little scared. I was a little scared on top. I was like, damn it, what am I going to do? So many steps, so many stairs I have to. Yeah, yeah. There's so many stairs I have to go, and I can only go one at a time. It's gonna take me forever. Now it's like, okay, big steps, big steps, big steps. Whew. Yeah. Take your time. Okay. Okay, we almost there. Last few steps. Oh, let me get out of the way. Take my picture.
Thank you.
Ooh. You made it. Nice. Good job. So, what do you think of the hike?
Challenge.
I have a jello-y legs
Jello
now.
legs.
Jello legs now. Great, great, great. Good day. Good challenge.
Good workout for not working out for a while. Eh?
Yeah. And doing a workout during the vacation is something different too.
Yeah.
Cool.